Your boy Kevin Dada and I'm back with another Kevin Take It. This is Kevin Dada Buffet. So don't forget to like, share, and follow Buffet too. So today we are going to rate the best content creator in KZN Buffet. I'm going to give you my top five Buffet too. So yeah, this catalog is according to like not numbers only, but numbers do count. And like the best content is the best about who are doing the amazing things in KZN right now. We have Buffet. So I'm not going to go according to numbers actually today, Abo. So I'm going to say King Kawat, fresh, unique, taste of style is one of the top 2%, if not one, Buffett. He's the greatest. Buffett. King Kawhi has been pulling his socks. Like I've seen him like going up and each and every day, and people are loving him so much. And me too. Like every time I'm on TikTok, I'm always laughing, always in a happy mood. Buffett too. So Buffett, King Kawhi is one of them. Buffett too. My number two. This list is hard, Buffett. So I don't wanna like make it about anything about more than like the best people in this list, Buffett. And we have the Cinema Dondo, Buffett. If you didn't know, Cinema Dondo is from around here in Durban, Buffett. She's one of the like most prominent. She's been getting gigs, getting like interviews, radio interviews, TV interviews. The same, she's making like waves. Actually, she's one of them, Buffett. And people love her because of her accent. Her accent speaks louder. Her content is like fresh, innovative. Kasi you can feel like you are on top of the world when you like umlalele. And number three, Buffett. Skype Buffett. If you didn't know, even Skype is from here in Temple, Buffett. And he's one of those guys where I can put on this list, Buffett. I know this list is going to be tough, Buffett, because there are so many people who are like doing it like for real bafethu ngeke babale kodwa sengezwa nani nina ukuthi baphi nibathandayo yabo ngisabala King Khawati, Cinema Dondo, and now Sky bafethu is the guy who like yabo eshayela amavidiyo nje ahlekisayo. He always have you know i-flag emhlane bafethu. He's one of them my favorites like content creators right now. And number four, ladies and gentlemen, let me see. Think to say Buffett. There are so many like great people, Buffett. Always I'm counting, I'm just thinking what's it. Who else I'm going to count, Buffett? Pumlan Buffett. So there are two Konaloa Koko, Vesogo Konalo support case of it. Both of them are killing hits, Buffett. Oh, Pilan, the other one is Pilan, Buffett. Pilan is also killing it, and his crew, first of all, they are also killing it. Think to say you see the list goes on actually. They're all from Devon, those people, my friends. Utensil department, my friend. So my guy, my friend. I won't leave him out. He's killing it. What's a call over my friend? That's a busang bale five. Yabo. And many people are killing it. Kabacha. How can I live? Kabacha, my friends. I wanna hear from you, my friends. Which upcoming maybe I'm not focused on like upcoming mean about this is the give and take. I want to hear from you all if more people feel as like someone who is up there with the great that I've just counted with it. Ophilanim Table, Never Dono, Sky, King Kawa, the oh, Yebezo, Pilani, Pilani Mtembu, the Kaiser Chief supporter of it. There are so many of it, like those of this. And I think KZN is like the best content creator based like province. It has that culture and you go see people have different personalities. You won't find everyone doing the same thing in the same pocket, but they are like cashing it everywhere they go. They're getting brand deals. About some are getting residency. About what like resident job. About I'm tuned in. About so I want to hear from you, my friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, my friends. This is your boy, Kevin Brand. I'm out.